Hey, good morning. Brian Willett here. Happy Saturday. And I can remember when I was in my, let's just say my middle 20s, late 20s, all the way up into my early 30s, where, I would take a Friday night, and like most people, I'd go out on a Friday night. And then I would wake up on a Saturday, 10, 11, 12 o'clock, and then, get my day started. Even though I worked a lot of those Saturdays, I could have done a lot more to really maximize those Saturdays. To me, Saturday mornings is really those days where I can get a lot accomplished. There's just something about a Saturday morning. There's a different feel in the air, right? And when I get up early, I get things done. I'm productive. I get my workout in. I get my run in, whatever it is, and I start doing some work. And then, you know what? I'm not going to work all day. I'm going to shut it down around 11, 11:30, maybe noon, okay? But Saturday mornings are really, really productive days. And I would just encourage you to use those Saturday mornings. You don't have any time constraints. You don't have to get to the office. You don't have to get to work, right? But you can really focus on whatever it is you're trying to push through. And so Saturday mornings, whether you're working on something, work-wise, or you're working on a project to push your life and maybe some side hustle or side business that you're working on forward. Saturday mornings are really good for that. Don't waste your Saturday mornings. Get up, treat it like a Monday. Get up at your normal time and make things happen and really maximize the time, okay? And then, after 11:30, 12 o'clock, enjoy the rest of the day. That's what I'm going to do, all right? So I'm finishing up my workouts. I'm gonna go put in a few hours of work, got a few phone calls to make. Make it a great Saturday. I hope you have a great weekend. And again, subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the logo at the bottom right-hand corner. Make it a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon.